Tired of dull, lifeless hair that just won't bounce back? Moroccanoil Clarifying Shampoo offers a deep cleanse that removes stubborn buildup from styling products and environmental impurities, giving your hair a fresh start every time you use it. This shampoo doesn't just clean, it resets your hair, making it the perfect solution when your strands feel weighed down or lackluster. What sets this shampoo apart is its carefully crafted formula. It's color safe, so you don't have to worry about fading your hair color. Enriched with keratin, it strengthens your hair while lavender, chamomile, and jojoba extracts soothe and nourish your scalp. Plus, argan and avocado oils work together to hydrate and restore balance without leaving any heavy residue. The result? Hair that feels weightless, healthy, and full of life. I tried Moroccanoil Clarifying Shampoo after my stylist recommended it, and it truly delivered. Using it just a couple of times a month was enough to clear away buildup and bring back shine and softness. It's easy to use. Simply wet your hair thoroughly, massage the shampoo through your scalp and strands, then rinse. Whether your hair is color-treated or natural, this shampoo gives you a clean slate to style from, without stripping essential moisture. If you're ready to refresh your hair and scalp with a product that cleans deeply while caring for your strands, Moroccanoil Clarifying Shampoo is worth a look. It's an effective, trusted choice for anyone dealing with dullness or buildup, helping your hair feel lighter, healthier, and more vibrant. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the reset it deserves.